In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monday.com for sales teams. To get started, log in to your Monday.com account and head to your main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the three-dot menu beside your workspace. Open that menu and choose the option to add a new workspace. A workspace is helpful because it gives your sales team a dedicated area to keep boards, processes, and pipeline activity organized in one place. Next, type in your workspace name. For this setup, you can name it something like Sales. Then click Add Workspace. If you see the option to personalize the workspace with AI, that can also help speed things up. But in this example, we're simply creating the workspace directly. After that, click Continue, and Monday.com will generate the core components needed for your new workspace. Now invite your team to the workspace. This is useful because it allows everyone involved in the sales process to collaborate in the same environment, stay updated, and manage deals together. Once you've added your team members, click Save. With the workspace ready, click the plus icon and select New Board. This is where you'll create your main sales board. Then click Create Board. If you prefer, Monday.com. AI can also generate a sales pipeline for you by using a simple prompt, but here we're creating it manually for full control. Rename the board to Sales Pipeline. Now it's time to build your pipeline groups. Rename the first group to New Leads. This stage is where all fresh opportunities enter your system. Rename the second group to Qualified Leads, which helps separate leads that meet your criteria from those that still need review. Then add a new group and rename it to Discovery Calls. This stage is important for tracking conversations where you learn about the prospect's needs. Continue adding groups for Proposal Sent, Negotiation Stage, Closed Won, and Closed Lost. These groups represent the key phases of a sales pipeline and make it easier to see exactly where every deal stands. A clear structure like this helps sales teams prioritize work, forecast outcomes, and avoid missed follow-ups. Next, click the plus icon to add columns. Add a company name column, a phone column, and an email column so you can store core account and contact details. Then add a deal owner column to assign responsibility, a deal stage column to track progress, and a contacts column for additional people related to the opportunity. After that, add an expected date column, a next follow-up column, and a deal value column. These are especially important for planning, timing, and forecasting revenue. Finally, add a priority column and a notes column so your team can quickly identify urgent deals and keep useful context in one place. That's how to set up Monday.com for sales teams. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.